NCP-SCP chief Sharad Pawar has, along with the Mahavikas Aghadi party leaders and workers with black bands tied on their arms, staged a protest in Pune against the Badlapur incident where minor girl was allegedly sexually assaulted at a local school. Initially, the Mahavikas Aghadi has called for the Maharashtra Bandh but decided to stage protest across the state after the Bombay High Court restrained them from calling a bandh. Two 4-year-old girls were sexually assaulted inside the washroom of Maharashtra school this month, sparking widespread protest in Maharashtra. The accused, a male attendant at the school in Thane district, was arrested and currently remains in the custody. The Bombay High Court has directed the special investigation team probing the case to file a report by August 27 on the same. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Prathamesh, live from Maharashtra. Prathamesh, what is the situation on the ground as far as the MVA protest against the Badlapur incident regarding the sexual assault against the minor girls is concerned? How is the MVA leading and what all is affected in the state?
Yes, correct. As the way the Badlapur incident was been done, and after that now from Mahavikas Aghadi Sarkar, first of Maharashtra. After that, the Maharashtra Bandh was called off after the High Court's decision, and after that, now from the Mahavikas Aghadi of the Shiv Sena UBT, and after that Congress, and after that NCP Sharad Pawar. So after that, the protest has been taking. I am currently standing at Shiv Sena Bhavan over here, and where the protest is going to take place, as they are tying the knots, black knots as well, and wearing the black clothes as well. As you can see through the visuals on the hand, they are tying the black knot over there, so that they are doing as the protest has been going on. Also, they are wearing the black cloth on their mouth, so that as the black flags also you can see over here. Heavy deployment of the police is also been done here from the Shiv Sena UBT party leaders and party workers. This protest has been happening today, and also the main leaders as well as Aditya Thackeray and many more leaders are going to reach here, and they will be coming to this protest, and they will be doing this protest as well. Here we have Sachin Iyer with us. We'll try to speak to him. Sir, आज आपके तरफ से निषेध. So it has been said that the today protest has been going on, so they won't speak till now. Till the protest will be going on. But after that, they will be speak and they will give us the reaction as well. As we'll speak to some of the workers, also party workers as well, and over here, and we'll try to speak to them. Sir, आज आपके तरफ से यहाँ पर ये किया जा रहा है. सर, आपके तरफ से यहाँ पर आज एक निषेध किया जा रहा है बदलापुर के इंसिडेंट, क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर? So here the party workers are they are not speaking over here because of the protest, but after that they will try to speak over here. And मैम, आज आपके तरफ से यहाँ पर शिवसेना की तरफ से यूबीटी की तरफ से यहाँ पर एक प्रोटेस्ट किया जा रहा है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे मैम आप इसमें?
आपने जो देखा है बदलापुर में जो घटना गई है वो बहुत दुर्दैवी है. ऐसे होना नहीं चाहिए. छोटे छोटे बच्चे अगर सुरक्षित नहीं रहेंगे तो जनता के सामने आज बड़ा सवाल है, खास करके लेडीज़ लोगों के सामने आज सवाल है कि अगर महिलाओं को सुरक्षा नहीं मिल रही है, महिला के छोटे छोटे बच्चियों को सुरक्षा नहीं मिल रही है, तो लाडली बहन का क्या फ़ायदा. हमें सुरक्षा चाहिए, हमारे बच्चे सुरक्षित होना चाहिए. हमें हमारे बच्चे स्कूल में जाएंगे, वापस घर में सुरक्षित आना चाहिए. हमारे बच्चे क्लास में जाएंगे. ये इतनी छोटी बच्ची के ऊपर ऐसा दुर्दैवी ये होने के बाद भी अगर वो स्कूल के लोग कुछ एक्शन नहीं लेते, इसके लिए उनका निषेध करने के लिए, और ये सरकार का निषेध करना. आज आपने देखा होगा पुणे में हो गई है, संभाजी नगर में हो गई, अकलूज में हो गई, अकोला में हो गई. ये बार बार ऐसे हादसे होते जा रहे हैं. तो उसका निषेध करने के लिए आज हमारे पक्ष प्रमुख माननीय उद्धव साहब जी ने ऐलान किया है. वैसे पूरे महाराष्ट्र में बंद होने वाला था, लेकिन ये बंद का बाकी ये सत्ताधारी लोग हैं उनको इतना भय रहा.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.